What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Gamer. Today we're back with another video. So today we're playing a game called The Parking Lot. You feel me? So it says right here, this game may potentially trigger seizures for people with photosensitive. I don't give a fuck. Start the game. I bet. Parking a lot. Find your car. Press K to. Yup. Wait. It's over here somewhere. It's over here somewhere. I bet. I see my car, man. Yes, sir. This ain't no horror game. We're going home quickly. We're going home quickly. Wait, where is it? What was that? I could swear it was here. Where's my car? Why is it over here? Alright. Right there, right there. Is this one? Huh? What the fuck? Why is it teleporting? My car's teleporting. Who is there? This is no fun. Where's my car, bro? What is that? 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 What the fuck is that? I'm out. Yeah, I'm out. I need to turn on the power before they're using. How do I turn on the power? Where's the power switch? I got a random demon. I got a big demon trying to box me up. That's right here, right here. I bet. Let's go. Oh, I bet. So you playing games with me? Yeah, move out the way, nigga. Yeah, move out the way from me. Yo, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch the fuck out. Back up. Back up. That's all I like to see. That's all I like to see. I bet. Let's go. Huh? Bitch ass nigga, you thought. You thought, man. Trying to run me over? Crazy. Yo, what is this, man? Is that what I think it is? Where? 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 What are you looking at right now? I don't know what you're looking at. What do you see? Dude said, "Is that what I think it is?" I don't know what you're thinking. Where's my car? I don't know what's going on, man. No, what did he think he saw? I'm gonna go right here and see. Probably right here, right? Okay. Random car. So we got a car and come on. Wait, is that my car? I bet you that's my car, right? Damn. Let's see if this is my car. Damn, so we got boomed, man. What's up for us? But yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.